Hello, I want to announce that a new course on Teachable is available. It's about WordPress plugin development. It's a nice tutorial in it. If you want to learn to develop a WordPress plugin, you can enroll in this course. It will teach you details about how I evolved as a WordPress plugin developer, and will teach you insights about this domain. So as you can see, it has many details about plugin development, and also it will teach you how to sell your plugins and how to develop plugins that will sell. So check the course out. It is on Teachable. I hope you will like it and will learn many things from it.